Hi, I'm Tony, and we are at Berneil 2.0. As you can see behind me, we have walls up on top of our footings that we poured last week. Took the guys about a week to put these walls up. We did about 90 linear feet of walls and tied an intense steel mat in between the walls with wall ties. Today we're going to have 6 concrete trucks here, and we will pour those walls, and then tomorrow we will strip those walls, move those forms down, and build the next section of walls. There'll be approximately 4 pours of walls in this foundation. After that, we'll do interior plumbing underground, and we will start doing the waterproofing and backfill on the outside. See you next time.